Hey adventurers, hold on to your seats because this one's gonna move fast. We're talking 4 states, a fake castle, an all-day road trip sprint, hair appointment, pushing luggage carts through the lobby, and
a Tony Robbins event so big we walked across literal fire. No joke, barefoot with 11,000 other people.
We're giving you all the behind-the-scenes chaos, life-changing moments, and even a few, why are we like this? Travel decisions. Let's roll.
We left Branson, Missouri, cut through Arkansas, waved at Oklahoma, and landed in the heart of Dallas, Texas.
But I didn't get to stick around long because, plot twist, I had to drive the girls to meet my parents in New Mexico where they were staying at a timeshare so they could babysit for us. After driving all day, I pulled up and legit thought they were staying in a castle. Turns out, it was just a very over-the-top road display.
You drive all day, crashed for the night, and had to turn around and drive all the way back the very next morning.
Yep, 12 out of 10 for exhaustion, 0 out of 10 for travel logic. The things you do for your kids. And the fun didn't stop there. Next day, I had a hair appointment. Then, took the Yukon in for an oil change, all because we needed to be fully locked and loaded for the Tony Robbins event.
We switched to a hotel closer to the event, and surprise, it only had underground parking.
Which meant we had to take off the rooftop and back carriers, stack them on luggage carts, and wheel them into the hotel, up the elevator, and to our room like we were entering the Travel Olympics.
That's your behind-the-scenes reality, folks. Not always glamorous, usually sweaty.
Then came registration night. The line? Absolute chaos. It wrapped around the building, back through itself, and probably had its own zip code. And this was just registration, people. Our first indication that this was going to be an absolutely huge event.
The next morning, we stood there 4 hours just to check in. And that was just to get our wristbands.
Next, we made our way through the metal detectors and then finally made it inside the event hall. Found our seats all the way in the back.
Still awesome though. Giant screens everywhere, booming energy, and not a bad seat in the house.
Over 3 decades, he's changed millions of lives as a peak performance coach and life strategist.
#1 best-selling author whose books and seminars have helped inspire more than 50 million people and transform their lives.
One, two, three, shake the movie.
And then came the Firewalk. Yes, barefoot on scorching hot coals with 11,000 other people. Talk about being surrounded by like-minded people. We were all doing it. Loved it.
Walking across fire sounds wild, but honestly, it was totally empowering. I feel like you could do anything after that.
Also, shout out to the 3,000 virtual attendees who were probably firewalking over space heaters and aluminum foil at home. That's how motivating he was. You guys, fangirl mode. Jamie Kern-Lima was there. She was one of the speakers and she literally almost rocked right to me. It was amazing. I'm a huge fan and it totally made my day. Don't worry, Jamie, I will meet you in person someday.
Lacey has officially entered her Manifest the Meeting era.
Yes, Jamie, if you're watching this, just know one day we're getting that selfie. Mark my words.
Like, I just know I'm here for the woman in the room and maybe you.
We found out after the event that this wasn't just awesome, it was record-breaking.
Yep, the most live attendees at a Tony Robbins event ever. And get this, Tony had surgery for a retinal tear just days before, but he still showed up and he still rocked it.
That's commitment, and we're so glad he didn't cancel. It was truly one of the most transformational events we've ever attended.
Okay, so let's recap the roller coaster. Drove through 4 states, mistook a road display for a castle, drove 20 hours in 2 days, did my hair, fixed the car, luggage carted the rooftop and back carriers through the hotel lobby, into the elevators and up to our room, stood in line for eternity, walked on fire, got within 5 feet of Jamie Kern Lima, and witnessed a room of 11,000 plus people come alive.
If you love this whirlwind stop on our adventure and maybe got a little inspired along the way, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next.
Let's just say there's still plenty of magic ahead. Firewalk, optional. Adventurepreneurs out.